How's it going, everyone? I just want to bring you guys a quick little segment in this video real quick on the SD card I bought for my Pioneer radio. So as you guys can see in the video, I am using this one here off of eBay. It's from Russia, and it came in about 2 weeks. Honestly, it said it would take about a month and a half, but it came in about two weeks, so which is great. It's a little pricey. It's $50, but as you guys can see, I changed it out, and it's absolutely no issues with it. So I definitely think it's worth the price. The seller is reputable. He has 98.1% positive feedback, 109 sold. So there is another kind on here as well. If I just type up like Pioneer AVH-W4500NEX software error, and there is this other one as well. There's a few of them actually. You know, there's like 40. You gotta make sure you're getting the right one too. Like this is 4500 NEX, 4500 NEX, 4500 NEX. There's 4400. 4400 is cheaper, but yeah, I think this was the other one I was gonna get. There's one thing I saw on another one, but it said the seller was extremely reputable and whatnot, and that he's been a long time eBay user. So like I said, this is the one I specifically bought, and it comes with instructions. You know, it says like contact if you need any questions, and all that. I'll leave this link down in the description below, but you know, like I said, it works great. You know, no issues, as you guys can see in the video. I figured to just add this a little bit at the end. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave this down below and I'll link in the description. And yeah, if you guys have any messages, you can also contact the seller here and whatnot. So hope you all found this video helpful. I know it wasn't really instruction how-to video. As you guys can see, I'm watching instruction how-to video on my Switch while I was doing it in some spots. I'll leave that video link down in the description. He was a super great help. I appreciate his video that he put up. I went by that step by step, and he did a great way of explaining it. So I figured I should also give him credit. This is not really, like I said, a how-to video. It's just me going along fixing it myself and showing that it can be a little bit of a difficult task, but the fact that I can do it means that you can do it as well with some basic tools. And yeah, I just wanted to, you know, make another video, just try to get back into YouTube and all that stuff. I feel like it could be kind of entertaining to watch in case anyone else is having this issue with their Pioneer radio. So I will have a full in-depth video on my radio sometime soon. I know I did a lot of the installation stuff in this video as well, but I'll do a lot of feature sets and my review of the radio and what I think about it in my Jeep. So yeah, like I said, leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more videos. Going to be doing some Jeep videos, vlogs potentially. So yeah, just subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.